I have worked here for 5 years and I'm in purchasing. I buy mostly for the cab department and for our subsidiary ADC. So I basically order the parts that we need out on the shop floor to build cabs, orders going out to customers and whatnot. And my job is to make sure that we get everything here in a timely manner and correct quantities to specs of drawings and stuff. And I'm also responsible for getting quotes for those parts, whether it be online component or a custom component, sending drawings out and whatnot to the suppliers and keeping that open line of communication. So when I started, we had just acquired ADC, so it was a perfect fit for me. We're really good at multitasking and kind of rolling with the punches. With the way the supply chain is these days, I don't think we would be nearly as successful if we weren't good at those things. Well, lead times are probably the biggest challenge. A lot of suppliers that have been struggling, we do like weekly meetings with to try and keep that line of communication open. It's basically our job to get the parts here on time. Without the parts, the product won't ship. For example, I buy glass for cabs. If we have a cab here ready to ship and no windshield, we can't ship the cab. We work really closely with receiving on a lot of things because that's kind of like the stop and go light of if we're getting a good or a bad product in or the correct product. So if they have questions, we get phone calls, we have to go back there and check it out, or we have to ask quality to go out and measure and make sure everything's to spec and everything. I like the chase of it. It's kind of fun to be able to be asked to expedite something and be successful and then be able to get things out the door. We have a great culture. The benefits are great. We're rewarded for doing a good job, and I like my department. I couldn't ask to sit next to a better group of people. I think the best people here.